Right, and so our next one here. Calculate and display for each district the average weight of rubber collected, the best and worst cleanliness ratings, and the difference between the two ratings. Rightio, so first things first, we define the average weight of rubbish collected, the best and worst ratings, everything else. So let's start with the district name. It's based on district, so district name. And we want to sort by, not yet, so let's go, is it group by, sort by, sort by. Okay, so we want to include the average weight of rubbish collected, so that will mean going to the yearly review and rubbish collected. And we want to do a criterion, should be an expression there we go. So make sure you hit the totals bit there, and that will open up the next part of this table, which is known as totals. Then you can hit on there, so average weight will be the average, and that's it. So a lot of this seems like it's going to be complicated maths. It really isn't. You just whack the expression tab, total will come up, you want to group by district name, and then rubbish collected is the average. Best and worst cleanliness ratings, so we go to yearly review cleanliness rating, and we'll just go minimum, then cleanliness review, and this time make it the maximum. Now there is a way of making sure you can access this data afterwards, which is by going worst rating. I'll just do worst to make it simpler, and we go on to here and we call this one best. What we're doing here is we're assigning it a name, a bit like variables in programming. So what we can then do is we can go to the end of it and we can make it an expression, and we can do yearly cleanliness rating, so the difference between two ratings, difference. Provide a slightly better name than I'm doing. I'm just doing this so we can see it, because it will be a bit small otherwise. Difference will be square bracket worst minus, actually it wouldn't be worst, it would be best, minus worst. And so theoretically what we should have here is, what this will do is it will grab the worst and the best rating, it will take the best rating and minus it by worst, and that'll get us the difference. So when we run this, what's up with it? Well, the close is open, all these bits might have been open as usual. That's fine, save. There we go, try again. Hit view, and there we go. So each of these now has the average rubbish collected, the worst and best rating per district, and the difference to each district. And that's simple as that. It's simply a case of making sure that all of your values here are grouped by their averages, the minimum, the maximum, the expression. The difficult part is to make sure you can name your fields, and you can pull them out elsewhere and use them. And that allows you to utilize them in expressions like here, best minus worst. That gives you an answer. You can then save that as your, what would it be classed? I call it the calculate query, but you might want to call it something a bit more useful for the task. So you might want to call it, for instance, average rubbish collected, or ratings, whichever you think is more suitable for the task. And that's it, simple as that.